In this video, I'll show you how to import custom object sprite in Explorers of Skies. You first need to create your sprite with the way you prefer to do it. I personally use gimp for that. I create an image with, for example, a width of 50 and a height of 100. I put alpha on it. Alpha is transparency. I take the single pixel editing mode, put the size to 1 pixel, and here I can place single pixel. I can change and select the color here. Remember that you are limited to 15 different colors plus alpha. So here's some quick and ugly pixel art I just made for this example. So then you can export the image by pressing Ctrl E and selecting the destination folder. Ensure the file is saved as a PNG. Here you can select the name, like object. Screen, that's better. Export, use the default option, image exported. Then you can switch to SkyTemple. Here you have the list of object sprites. You can extend it and select a sprite you want to replace. Replacing a footstep is useless. So take one of these, for example this one. So select one that you need, then you can press import image and select your image file. Here, and then it's imported. To use it in a scene, you just need to open the scene file. Which one it was first? For example this one. Then you can create a new object, select the image you imported if it appears in the list, otherwise just replace another one. On va voir D01 P11 B1. So it will be this one instead. Here. Don't forget to save. Reload the ROM. Here you have your custom object sprite. Then if you want to move it, you can just use the script using the object, the with object, set object stuff. So for example, if I want to move it down somehow or move it up instead, let's see what I can do here. I can, after the fade in, wait, I have not a hard time understanding what this does, but I can call with object the object ID, object T01B11 B1 underscore 11 object. Move to position offset, speed of 1, x it will be negative, yes it will be less 1000, less 1000, it should be a diagonal move, Then I can save again, reload the ROM again, or load the save states before the cutscenes. And here you have your moving object. That's it for this video. The way to enter object is usually is practically the same as for Pokemons, knowing that you can't import animated sprite with this method. You may be in the future, but not with the current version of SkyTemple. And the same goes for adding new sprites. Maybe it will come in the future, I hope. And that's it.